Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix unable to change name on Facebook. If you are using Facebook and you are trying to change your Facebook ID name, but you're facing this issue that your name is not changed. So let's see how can you easily fix that. So basically there's no any possible fix. If you are trying to change your name twice into 60 days, so you are unable to change your name. You can see there's a description. If you change your name, you can change it again for 60 days. So it means that once you have changed your Facebook ID name, you cannot change it up to 60 days. After 60 days, you'll be able to change your Facebook ID name. Or if you doesn't change your name, or but you're still facing the same issue, so there's some possible fixes. The very first thing is that you have to open your app store, search for Facebook, and you have to try to update your app. After updating, go back, open your settings, go for general. You have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. Then go for the transfer reset iPhone section. Select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can try this. Then go back, open iPhone storage section here, look for Facebook app, and you have to try to offload your app. So after offloading, if there will be any bug which is annoying you or which is making any issue until you're changing name step, so it will be fixed in this step, and after that you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.